Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now this case is made by Tzomsze. Not sure that's the correct name, but we're going to go with that, all right? But it's a transparent case, it's smoked TPU, very soft. It's got that sticky gel feel, but it's get that square look, all right? You know, the iPhone 12 is got rounded corners, but this is going to give it a square look here. We're going to see how that looks on this device, all right? Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the clear square case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Transparent case, reinforced corners, cushion, slim bumper cover, all right? Now this is the smoke version right here. Here for some of your pictures, right? You got different colors. You got pink and kind of a red color there, green, purple. So different colors there you can get. You can see them right there, all $8.99. So $8.99 on Prime, and you got a 5% coupon right there, so you can use that, all right? I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, now here's the case right here. Minimal packaging there, plastic. Not much on the outside there. Some mumbo jumbo. All right, got a little foam inside there. Let's put that to the side. Now this is the case right here. What's unique about this is it's got that square corner, all right? And you see the iPhone is going to sit in this middle here, but you know, with the round sides and everything will fit in here. So it's got that boxy square look. It's going to give you some. It's going to soften the harsh corners on the iPhone 12. This is the power button right here, and this is the volume down rocker. This is where your mute switch is right here, and you have your speaker grills right here and your charging port right there. Nothing else much on the device, on the case. You got your raised area for the cameras. That's going to be protected, and I don't really see any branding or anything on here that I can think of. But let's put the device inside and see what it looks like. Okay, here's the iPhone 12 Pro Max right here. Let's go ahead and put it inside the case. The case is very soft, but it's got a good decent fit. Now, this feels good in the hand because it provides some more grip, but it also softens the harsh corners, the sharp corners on this device. And you can see you got that square look right there, okay? Now the camera is going to be well protected. You see that? No problem there. No feet on the back, so this will touch the surface. It's got that jelly feel, so it's sticky and it's not slippery. All right, you see the bottom right here. Everything lines up. You got your charging port, your grills right there for your speakers, and you got your button down rocker right there and the mute switch, and you got your power button right there. Power button not that pronounced, but you can feel it, and it does work pretty well. All right. Now you got some lip there, so it's going to protect the screen when you put it down. But you see that look right there for the iPhone 12, give you that square look right there. All right. So you know, this might be something unique for you, but it does feel good. And this will add a little bit of bulk and make the phone look a little bigger. But if you're okay with that, might be a good case for you. Okay. So let's go ahead and check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. We're going to go ahead and put this on. Here go the wireless charge right there. So it does pick up wireless charge. The phone is already at 100%, but it does work. Let's stand it up and see what happens there. All right, so it picks up wireless charge again right there. All right, let's go ahead and lay it down, see what happens. Sometimes you got to move this device around to get the charge in certain positions. So it did pick it up right there as well, as you can see, okay? This iPhone is a little finicky when it comes to wireless charge, but it does work. Okay, so that was a quick look at the square case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's a TPU case, smoke black, very nice feeling in the hand. Has a little bit of bulk, or at least it looks that way, but good protection, decent protection, and it's got a unique look for you, okay? Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.